The last sector is automotive sector. The automotive industries plays a significant role in sustainability and environmental conservation, from eco-friendly manufacturing processes to sustainable mobility solutions. These companies are driving the changes. The top 5 companies in these sectors are Honda, Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS, Hero, and Minda. And the winner is TVS. So TVS has done some of the efforts in sustainability, such as they have co-processed the hazardous waste in the cement industry to the cement industry. Hero MotoCorp, they have planned zero liquid discharge. Honda installed equipments capable of 100% water recycle and reuse. Mahindra and Mahindra has initiated net zero building initiatives. Minda, they have also added zero water discharge plant in their plant. So the winner, TVS Motor, please come on the stage. No, because of the prior commitment, they couldn't join us. So we'll be sending.